Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Corsair DDR4 2x16GB total 32GB Vengeance LPX RAM with a frequency 3600 MHz, low profile memory for high performance overclocking. The heat spreader uses aluminium for faster heat dissipation, and the low-profile design fits into the most micro ATX and mini IATX systems. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside and install it, of course, to my newest desktop. That's why subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss my next videos. Nice packaging. Wow, it's so cold. I like the design. Vengeance LPX, the logo, DDR4, it is beautiful. 2 RAMs. Definitely it will fit perfect to my motherboard. Well, let's install it. My motherboard. Don't miss to watch end this video for my motherboard and for my CPU down below the description or after the end of this video. I will install it on the A2 and B2 slot. Installation, it is very easy. Just press and it will lock automatically. And the second. And they are looking great. I like it. That was all my viewers. Hit the notification bell, more videos are coming from my newest PC. Subscribe, share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.